Good morning. Hi, it's Elisa from Elisa Marie Designs, and I am jumping from one video. Literally, I stopped the video and I'm starting a new one. Hi, welcome if you are back. Welcome if you are new. We're happy to have you here. I am going to show you guys, I think I only have one in front of me right now. Let me get the other one. I have a little bit of a TEMU haul. Okay, I'm looking for little things that I could put on my desk when I'm diamond painting, getting my art room together. And I fell in love with this little, it comes with a 3M sticker, but look at this little bear. Just to have on my desk, something cute, something sweet, a couple of bucks. And I just thought it was so adorable. I don't know if I'll be sticking her permanently anywhere. Maybe I'll get like one of those little, wood blocks that the dollar store sells and paint it, and maybe I will stick her on that so I could just move her around like the Peanuts gang. So cute, right? Cute. Then I had to get another one. And this is not it. Oh, where is she? Hello, where are you? These are hooks, but I got another one. Where did I put her? Everything is here. This is what I mean about my life being a mess and I'm not used to it. Anyway, I bought a second one and it was the same exact thing other than she had prongs coming out of the back and you could clip her to your art vent. Then I said, well, these are so interesting. I like the Hello Kitty. I'm going to get the Hello Kitty one. Now, what I thought I was getting was this. What I got was this. Are you ready? I'm telling you, I'm going from one video to the next. I still have my canvas here. There's glue. Okay, there's a little tray. There's your kitty. Did I drop them? Oh, I did now. And here are your drills. It's called a Borerdoll, and you put the glue on there and you apply the drills yourself. AB drills, black drills. These are they AB drills? I mean, they have like that. They're really dimensional. Like they have like that little. You see how they are? Big bag of white ones and pink ones. And I'm like, are they kidding me? I thought I was getting one of these dolls. That's what I thought I was getting. But what you do after I did some research is there instruction? No, there's not even instruction in here. You know, you really have to look this up for yourself. And it wasn't easy for me to find this anywhere. If Amazon doesn't have it, what chance do I have? This is actually piggy bank. And this is what you do. Now, I did find someone on YouTube. I think she was, she was doing something different. This is the kitty. I thought I had found something. I'm getting all confused. Now, I did find something on Amazon, and it was a bear, and they were using these bears to put acrylic drips on, so you get your paint and you throw your paint on top and you make these acrylic bears. This however is something totally different. You get the glue, you get your drills, you get your little tray, standard tray. And you get a little picture that you can follow with to put the glue on here and start putting your drills. Now, I'm so curious, really, honestly, I really am. I'm so curious just to open this up and maybe just give it a whirl. Should I? Why not? What am I doing? I have another few unboxings to do. I have something else. And if you saw my desk right now, and, you know, I've been doing a lot of complaining that I'm displaced at my house, but these are where the ideas come from. You know, what do you do when you don't have a lot of space? You know, what do you do when you're misplaced? You know, you have to start to organize. So I'm going to fill my little drill tray up. And let me see, is it white? I guess so. I guess I'm going to start with her ear because I don't know where else to start. Would you do... Oh, these are really pretty drills. Wow, look at them. Oh, wow, they're really pretty. Here's your glue. Oh gosh, is that open? Oh gosh, it's open already. And it's black. Now what I would do, oh no, it's not black. What am I going crazy? Is I would probably do an outline and then fill in. I don't know how fast this is going to dry, so let's just start with the outline. Oh, not a good idea, because then I will end up gluing that shut. Let me see here, where's the pen? I just want to see what kind of... Well, I'll tell you, if you're looking for another craft, other than the one you're doing, like something like this, I could probably do in front of the television. Oh, don't move. Oh, are you like stuck down as soon as you hit the glue? All right, where's the tweezer? I should have had this already, but maybe it'd be better with a tweezer than trying to... You might not be willing to be picked up with a tweezer. Please give me something to use these tweezers with other than stabbing myself. But, you know, listen, it's still diamond art. That's the way that I look at it. I have a little bit of glue on the end of this. Just a little baby bit. You'll never notice it. Well, that's over. I'm trying to determine how fast these are going to dry, and now somebody's at my door. Hopefully it's just the mailman. And John is still out walking. Oh, let me see here. I'm gonna have to shove you in there. Nope, that's John. Here he comes. So this is the way this would work, and I guess you have to figure out how you are going to manipulate filling this in, how well they're all going to fit. Now, if you wanted to, you could put little pink ears in there. Should we do another row? Let's do another row. Hi, honey. I'm just demoing this little kit that I thought came already done. And what it is they gave me a cat to do all the diamond drills myself, if you want to believe this. I went from making an outline to now filling it all in. Let's just see how fast we can do this. Okay, now that's not seated totally down, but you can't even see it. I would just drop a little bit more glue in that section. I think that this is adorable. So let me know. Would you try this? Okay, guys, so I went over to the second ear. I have a nice little puddle of glue in there so that I could slide these around. And, you know, once you start, it's kind of hard to stop. And one more right there. Oh, maybe one more. It's nice that it has a white background so that you could okay. Is this something you would try? Again, this was a mistake. I thought I was getting this in a bigger size, and actually this showed up in a box. With the glue, the tray, the pen, just a picture, no instructions, a plate of wax, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of drills. What do you think? I think we're going to start seeing a lot of these. I don't know where they started from. You know, I can't find really that much on them. I did find one company on Amazon, and they're getting them directly from China. This came from TEMU. Let me know. I'm going to finish her. Absolutely.